warmest best wishes. I hope to see the chairman soon. I hope my friends are well. I regret missing you on the last trip to the U.S., he said in the attached letter. Please accept our best wishes from the entire Biden family as well as partners. Well, his father didn't know. Does he have the right to say that on his father's behalf? I don't know. That's another good question. By the way, Biden's quote inauguration plan. They're urging supporters to stay home.
Comment down below if you know where we are.
As usual. I mean, I know that these are hard times for everybody. I get it. It's rough. You know, I just wonder, we played last night this Eric Swalwell case.
Today is the day on
pushing probably as hard as
Christmas.
anybody in Congress, along with the compromised, corrupt, congenital liar Adam Schiff.
Today's Christmas.
And Jerry Nadler. And, pushing and lying and advancing the false narrative that Trump-Russia collusion happened. And the entire time,
you don't have a coat. Where's your coat?
With this woman that turned out
You didn't
to be
leave your
Chinese
coat there, did you?
spy.
No.
Where is
It's
it?
in the back.
Numerous affairs with elected officials around the country.
You call mommy and tell her she's going to have to take you home tomorrow.
Republican on the House Intel Committee.
I mean, hopefully this is all going to turn into rain. I mean, I'm hoping, but it may not. She may not go to work tomorrow.
One of the things.
And then I won't go to school tomorrow.
When you go to
Yeah, but they already said just because, quizzes are all on computer in school, that you have to be there.
Wait, when's
We go to
Christmas?
Singapore, we go to Vietnam.
Christmas is next week, right?
Oh, I thought it was
handed from my job a burner phone. Don't use your real phone. Don't even turn it on because they'll download everything on it in seconds. That's what I'm told. Hey, really? I have these guys that literally check the room I'm staying in for bugs. It's insane. So that's why you're so full of the spies that we live in. So knowing the deep sophistication of a hostile regime, a hostile country like China, just like a hostile country like Russia or Iran or other countries. Well, do we
I'm
think
gonna make
that
him write
he
down the
actually
table
made the
or-
deal with Hunter because he had all this experience in private equity? I don't think so.
Sit back.
I mean,
You should have a seatbelt on.
Scary. This Christine Fang is just one of many spies involved with top-ranking officials in the United States. Whenever you get to the serious, significant monies involved, and then the lack of experience of Hunter and all these countries that want to hire him and do business with him, well, they're not hiring him because of his vast experience and because he's the best qualified.
Great. You sure you want to go to your mother's?
They think they're buying access.
Really?
And then the question is, how much access did they ultimately
Look
get?
at this, though. You know how long
We
it's
know
going to
about
take?
Burisma. We know about attempts of Hunter and Archer and others to go to the State Department or the Chinese National
Sorry,
Shopping
Clark,
Spree.
but I
Really?
gotta
You're going to take
turn
my
here,
family out
so-
on a shopping spree and spend $100 grand? You're going to give me money for $140,000, earmark that sucker for a car? And then you're going to allow this guy Swalwell to just get away 5 years not telling anybody
We're
in the
about
House
to reach
Intel
up the
Committee that in
pebbles.
fact he was compromised. Not a matter of if he was compromised, he was compromised. This woman was raising money for his campaign, got interns in his office.
There's
The chances, odds are high that the intern was a spy? I'd argue it probably was. Republicans sending
Here's
the
Robin
Ford.
Ford.
Swalwell be removed from the House Intel Committee. Why he's there is unbelievable to me.
Here's Taco Bell.
By the way,
Yeah, this is
we
the
got
place
Biden's
that,
pick for Department of Energy. God,
That's the place I would like
from
to.
them.
by the way, she was another one
Okay.
pushing the Russia-Trump conspiracy theory.
There's our.
Then you got the
I
deputy
can't see it.
chief of Biden saying that I'm not saying they're not a bunch of mother effers. Really? Yeah, of course we'll have bipartisanship. I'm not saying they're not a bunch of
I didn't mean
mother
that.
effers.
I don't know. My
And
grandma's
then that's
radio
some nice words to say
just
about Mitch
said
McConnell either. But anyway, 800-941
that.
Sean is my number. You want to be a part of the program. Listen, money is freedom. I say it every day.
This
It's
is
true. More money you save, more choices you have later
Pet
in
Boys.
life
Great.
or down
I don't
the
think
road
we
or in
should
the
go to your
future.
mother's.
All of
Get
us
out
have
of here.
cell phones. Many of you use switching to Sure Talk
Too
USA
dangerous.
$100 a year.
This is
You're
Pet
thinking, well, I
Boys.
want the same great service I get from the big carriers. Well, you get the exact same service because they use the exact same cell towers. Why are you paying more? You get more options. Right now,
Mother,
you get
still
unlimited
don't have a
talk, text,
shovel.
and data for $20
Their
a
shovels
month.
cost